magnifies it. You know, and light tends to make it pop. You know, it depends on the angle, the light that is reflected on that particular object. But what I find about wave to be a fascinating phenomenon in art, not just wave. I have this infatuation, really have an infatuation for translucent. You wonder why they're so childish. Why is he so childish? Why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because manics recede back to this sort of correlation between adolescence and impulsivity, which you find, studies have shown you find far more.
Perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been...
Your life is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.